Understanding grabbing headlines. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you've probably seen in news articles or heard in conversations: grabbing headlines. This expression is not just about the news itself, but about how certain stories capture our attention. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the impact it has on our perception of news. Stay tuned to become more proficient in understanding and using this intriguing phrase. Grabbing headlines refers to the act of attracting a lot of attention or coverage in the media. This phrase is often used to describe news stories, events, or individuals that become the focal point of news outlets, making them the most talked about topics of the day. But why do some stories grab headlines? It's usually because they are controversial, shocking, highly significant, or involve well-known personalities. Understanding this phrase helps us comprehend what makes news newsworthy. To put this into perspective, let's look at some examples. 1. Breaking news events, like natural disasters or major political changes, often grab headlines because of their immediate impact and significance. 2. Celebrity scandals or achievements can also dominate news cycles, drawing public interest due to the fame of the individuals involved. 3. Innovative technological breakthroughs or scientific discoveries grab headlines by introducing the public to new possibilities and advancements. These examples show how diverse stories can capture widespread media attention for various reasons. When a story is grabbing headlines, it does more than just dominate the news cycle. It shapes public opinion and discourse. This can have both positive and negative effects. On one hand, it can raise awareness about important issues and events. On the other hand, it can lead to sensationalism, where the dramatic aspects of a story are emphasized over more substantive details. Being aware of this helps us become more critical and discerning consumers of news. Now that you understand what grabbing headlines means, let's see how to use it. The recent space mission has been grabbing headlines worldwide due to its groundbreaking discoveries. After the scandal, the politician is back in the news, grabbing headlines again for all the wrong reasons. These sentences show how you can use the phrase to discuss why certain topics are receiving a lot of media attention. And that wraps up our exploration of grabbing headlines. This phrase is a key part of understanding how news works and what draws our attention. Remember, the next time you see a story that's everywhere, ask yourself, why is it grabbing headlines? We hope this video has enlightened you and made you more aware of the dynamics of news and media. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.